All right, next talk is going to be by Orr Dunkelman, who will tell us about Rethinking IDEA.
Okay, welcome everyone. So without further ado, this is IDEA, a very nice block cipher. It was published in '91 by James Massey and Shuji Eli. 64-bit block, 128-bit key. It's widely used in many applications, mostly PGP, if you might have heard about it. And it has 8.5 rounds. This is considered half round. This is considered the second half round. You repeat this thing 8 times, and then another half a round. Now, if you wake up a cryptanalyst in the middle of the night and you tell him IDEA, he starts to have nightmares. For 20 years or so, we're trying to break this thing, and we fail. After 25 papers, we don't get very far. So, for example, the first result was by Willy Meyer, that could detect 2 rounds using differential cryptanalysis. You can push it into 2.5 rounds using about 2 to the 104 time. 3 rounds using differential linear attacks from the Kao Leuven team in '97. And then, you see, we get 3.5 rounds using some new differential ideas and quite a lot of effort. And then there is impossible differential cryptanalysis that can break up to 4.5 rounds, given the entire codebook, and 2 to the 16 faster than exhaustive search. And this was a great advance, by the way. I'm serious. Then 5 rounds, the Mirci, Selçuk, and Touré implemented a new attack. You guess things in advance. You build a huge table. You guess things. You go forward. You go backward. You do many things. 5 rounds you can do in 2 to the 24 chosen plaintext, but the time complexity of, well, 2 to the 126. It was slightly later improved to 2 to the 124 time complexity. And you can see the years slowly, the progress is made, very, very slow progress. And the best known attack today is on 6 rounds of IDEA by Sun and Lai. AsiaCrypt 2009, according to Springer, we don't know exactly. 2 to the 49 chosen plaintext and 2 to the 112 time complexity. And this is it. This is the best known attacks. So you can see that people throwed all possible techniques on this cipher, tried everything. And because we would like to honor our founding fathers of cryptography, we decided to try and look into basic attacks, like meet in the middle. Nobody looked at it for years. You can attack 4.5 rounds of IDEA using meet in the middle attack with 2 known plaintexts. Seriously. I mean, we tried everything, but we forgot to try the most basic thing. Ouch. Well, we can extend it up to 6 rounds using the meet in the middle based on the Birokov-Demirci relation. You can attack with 2 known plaintexts, that's it. With time complexity much faster than exhaustive search, or with 16 known plaintexts, with time complexity which is not very practical. On the other hand, all the memories of these attacks is 2 to the 25 memory, so the memory is practical. The data complexity is small, and everything is using basic techniques. Nothing advanced, nothing flashy. We're not using any differentials, linears. And these 2 attacks actually hit the unicity distance. When was the last time that you've seen an attack in cryptography that actually hits the unicity distance? You need at least 2 known plaintexts in order to break the cipher. And we use them. Thank you.